Dito tayo ngayon mga ka-jammer sa Kukuland. Kukuland Hills.
You want to sliding, son?
Lantaw sa ano ito?
Yes.
Okay.
Slide.
Go, slide.
Go.
Is this a durian tree? Durian tree.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you. Welcome to Kokolan, Bali. Well, in here we're gonna do the education about the cacao tree and then the organic way to make a chocolate, yeah? Well, in here we also have an example for the cacao tree, which is it is about 12 years right now for the cacao tree. And then basically there are three kind of the cacao fruits. First, they're the kind that we call forastero. For the forastero, they have oval fruits with a smooth skin. And it can be planted in the tropical area. Indonesia is a tropical area, so a lot of farmers in Indonesia plant the kind of forastero in the garden. And then the second one is the kind that we call criollo. For the criollo, they have a long fruits and hard for the skin. Usually for the criollo, it can be planted in the dry area, like Brazil or Africa. And then the third one is the kind that we call Trinitario. Basically, Trinitario is the mix between the Forastero and then Criollo. So Trinitario is the kind that when we mix the two type of cacao fruit, yeah. And when the Trinitario, also you can be planted in the tropical area like a Forastero. And then for this one, in here we have the kind of Trinitario or the mixed one in here. Yeah. For all of these cacao fruits, they have a same taste. The difference is in the planting area and then the butter inside. So in the cacao beans, they already have their own butter, like oil. In the kind of a Forastero and then Trinitario, they have a 40% of a butter in one fruit. But for the kind of Criollo, they have a 60% of a butter in one fruit. And then before they growing the fruit, usually the cacao tree, they're gonna growing the flower first. Maybe you can see the flower right here, the white little flower. And then the flowers can turn into a fruit. In 1 year, for one cacao tree, they're doing about 6,000 of a flower, but from that 6, only 1% can turn into a fruit. Maybe just about 60 fruit in 1 year. And we have to wait about 5 months from the growing the flower until the fruit is ready to eat. It's about 5 months. And then after we got the ready fruits, now we'll tell you about how to cut the fruits. Maybe some people, they're gonna cut the fruit with their own hand, like they're gonna twist it and take the fruit. But if you're doing that way, they're gonna hurt the tree. That's gonna make the skin of the tree pull up, and when the skin pull up, there is no flower, it can be growing again on that spot. So in here we use cutters to cut the fruit, yeah? After we cut the fruits, now we tell you about how to open the fruits. Well, usually in here we open the fruit with this one. This is we call bamboo stick, and we just hit the fruit like this to open the fruit. We turn around and hit again. Turn around and hit again. Maybe you wanna try to open the fruit?
Ay,
Serogi oh.
Maybe one person can help me to open this fruit.
Serogi.
Serogi
oh.
Okay, thank you so much. You can try to open the fruit, yeah? Ah no, with the bamboo stick. Yeah, you have to hit. Okay, more hard. More
yun.
hard. Okay, perfect. Now you can
Perfect.
open the fruit with your hand. Excuse me. Okay, this one is the cacao beans, yeah, but I guess the beans is not good, so I will give you the other fruit, yeah. Well, excuse me. You want to open again? Hard? Okay. Now you can open it. Nah, that one is the cacao beans. Wanna try? You can try. Yeah, you can taste it. Oh, thank you so much. Now you can try it.
Dali naman so.
Oh no, just one. What about the taste? It's sweet and sour, yeah? Maybe like a mangosteen. Wanna try? Yeah.
Ha, lain ah. Dili siya parehas ato ah.
Okay, after we open the fruits, now I will tell you about the organic way to making a chocolate, yeah? So first of all, after we open the fruits, we need to take the beans and we do the fermentation process like this. For the fermentation cacao right here, we don't need the other ingredient to do the fermentation process because in the cacao beans, they already have a sugar inside. No. So that sugar will have to do the fermentation, yeah? So we just keep the beans like this for 6 days. After 6 days, we're gonna wash the beans until the beans is very clean, and after that, we dry the beans with the sun like that. Over there, we have an example. We dry the beans for 7 days until we got the result is like this. Now, this one is the result for the dry process. Wanna try? You can try it, but the taste is maybe bitter, like 100% of a dark chocolate. Wanna try? It's very bitter, yeah? If you wanna try, yeah, you can try.
Pait.
Bitter ganun.
Pahit, yeah. Wanna try?
Organic chocolate.
Pahit, yeah. In Indonesia also, pahit is bitter. Yeah, pahit is bitter. Sweet is manis. Yeah, in Philippines, amis. How to say thank you in Philippines?
Salamat.
Selamat. Ah, in Indonesia selamat. Selamat. Thank you. In Indonesia selamat is welcome.
Salamat.
Selamat pagi. That's right. Thank you.
Indonesia selamat is welcome. How about thank you?
Thank you is terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Patro kasih.
Terima kasih.
Dos lang. How about I love you?
I love you Indonesia is aku cinta kamu.
What's your name?
My name is Ani.
Ani, ako
Yeah. Aku cinta kamu. Thank you so much. Okay. And then after we got the dry bean for the first generation of our machine, so it's just like making a coffee. So first of all, we're gonna roasting the beans on this roasting machine for 45 minutes, and the temperature is 110 degrees Celsius. After we got the roasted beans, we're gonna put on the winnowing machine to pull up the skin of the beans. After we pull up the skin, we're gonna put on this grinding machine to grinding the beans. And when we're grinding the cacao beans, we're gonna get cacao pasta like this. We're grinding without water or oil again because in the cacao beans, they already have their own butter. So we're gonna get the pasta like this. After we got the pasta, we're gonna put on this pressing machine to separate the butter or the oil. The butter we can use for making a white chocolate. So if you know white chocolate basically is from the butter of the cacao, not from the beans of the cacao. So maybe someday if you have a diet program for the white chocolate, I guess it's not too good for diet because it is full of a butter or oil. And after we separate the butter, the pasta we're gonna grinding together cacao powder. After we get the powder we're gonna put on this refining machine to mix the powder of the cacao with the other ingredient to make a chocolate like a sugar, milk we mix in here. After we mix the ingredient right here, the pasta we're gonna move again to conching machine just to mix again all of the ingredient to make sure all of the ingredient is mixed well. It's gonna take 2 days just for mixing. After we mix on this crunching machine, we're gonna move the pasta to the tempering process. And then tempering process is gonna like we turn down the temperature of the chocolate to make the chocolate more shiny, crunchy, and not easy to melt it. If we just molding the hot chocolate, it's gonna make the chocolate more easy to melt it. So that's why we're gonna tempering or turn down the temperature of the chocolate first. After we got the perfect temperature, we're gonna molding. After we molding, we're gonna put on the cooling. And after the chocolate harden, we're gonna, in our factory we also is there like some wrapping process. Wrapping is like resting the chocolate. So we resting the chocolate for 1 day to make sure the quality of a chocolate. After we got the best quality of a chocolate, the last part we also the packaging chocolate. Yeah. For the packaging chocolate right here, we use 3 ingredients. Is that aluminum foil, pepper, and carton. So if you wanna like buy some chocolate in our gallery, don't worry, our chocolate is not gonna be easy to melt it. Okay, that's about the education right here. I hope the education is gonna be good for you. Thank you so much. And then now we're gonna go to the gallery and taste the tester of a chocolate, yeah, because we have a free tester for you. Thank you for your attention.
Ito yung mga machine nila na ginagamit sa paggawa ng chocolate.